Wessex Water fixes around 16,000 leaks every year. This video explores how to report a leak at your property and what the next steps are. In a previous video, we explained how to check for leaks at your property. If you suspect a leak on the service pipe that connects your property to our network, please get in touch, as we may be able to repair it for free. You can report the leak online at wessexwater.co.uk/contact-us. You can also call us on 0345 600 4600. Once you have reported the leak, we will contact you with an appointment for a customer inspector to visit your property. On the day of your appointment, the customer inspector will arrive and try to locate the leak. If you have a meter, they will initially check that it is still turning. They will then turn off your stop tap and return to the meter to confirm whether it is still showing water is flowing. This is to determine whether the leak is on your internal pipework or the private supply pipe between your property and the water main. Remember, if the leak is on your internal pipework, it is your responsibility to fix, and you will need to contact a plumber. After investigating, the customer inspector will tell you whether or not we can repair it for free, based on our customer leakage policy. They will discuss options with you at this stage and can answer any questions you might have about the repair. They will ask you to complete a consent form for our repair team to enter and work on your property. We aim to carry out the repair within 5 working days. You can also request an appointment for a specific date. On the day of the work, your local Wessex Water repair team will call you en route to your property. Once they arrive, they will make contact and set up a safe working area. Excavation now starts around the area of the leak. Once the leak has been exposed, the team can begin to repair the pipe. Once the leak has been repaired, we will permanently reinstate the area that has been excavated. We will do our best to return the area to its former state, but in some cases, when digging concrete or tarmac, marks or outlines of the dig area may remain. If there's mud or debris, the repair crew will clean and wash down the area. We typically fully or partially reinstate the area on the same or next working day, but we sometimes have to return at a later date to finish the job. For metered properties, our billing team will be in touch after the work is complete regarding any allowance you may be due for the leaked water. For more information, please visit wessexwater.co.uk/leaks.